What if the most terrifying creatures in history could walk the earth again?
Could this tiny drop of ancient blood hold the key to resurrection?
Deep within the spiral of time lies the blueprint that once built giants.
What if the link between the past and present has always been flying above us? Could evolution itself become the bridge that brings dinosaurs back?
But time is cruel. DNA decays. Every second, the code fades away.
65 million years. A lifetime too long for life's instructions to survive. But what if nature preserved something, waiting to be unlocked?
Inside a single droplet, echoes of ancient life whisper to modern science.
A diverse team of scientists, including an East Asian male lead scientist, races to decode what time tried to erase.
But even when fragments appear, most of the code is gone forever.
Without the full code, no creature can rise again.
What if modern technology could rewrite what nature destroyed?
A tool that edits genes like text. Could it rewrite extinction? Piece by piece, gene by gene, scientists rebuild what once ruled the Earth. Imagine a living cell carrying the heart of a dinosaur. Could this pulse be the sound of the past coming alive?
It's alive, at least in theory.
But reality bites back. Cells mutate, collapse, and die. Could we handle what we create?
Even nature seems to protest humanity's reach into It's working. In a stormy night, an ancient genome flickers back to life.
The symbol of rebirth. An egg that defies extinction. And then, a sound. A breath, a heartbeat, 65 million years late. The cell divides. What if the first dinosaur reborn was never purely dinosaur? Life rebuilt, redesigned, reborn in glass. And then a heartbeat. Stronger, faster, louder.
A new species, neither bird nor reptile, but something in between.
In that breath, humanity crossed a line that nature never intended.
The news spreads. Humans, including an African-American male historian, have brought back the lost king of Earth.
Some call it genius, others call it madness.
But the creature doesn't sleep. It learns. Something buried in its DNA remembers the hunt.
science saved life, but could never part of the deal.
In seconds, the lab becomes a prehistoric jungle again. The experiment escapes its creators. Evolution reclaims its throne.
Within hours.
As lightning strikes, something ancient awakens deeper inside.
The creature disappears, vanished into the wild.
Deep in the woods, a heartbeat echoes once more.
And with sunrise, a new predator claims the land once again.
The line between species blurs. Evolution loops back.
Just because we can, doesn't mean we should.
To play God or to preserve nature, science stands on the edge of ethics.
The files are sealed, but not deleted.
But someone kept a copy.
Genetic code of a dinosaur, now in human hands again.
Humanity never learns. We always reopen the gates we should have left closed.
In an unmarked island, the ancient world breathes again.
King has returned, and it remembers the taste of fear. Humanity's greatest dream becomes its oldest nightmare.
Nature cannot be contained. It always finds a way.
Mayday! Mayday! The evacuation transport is down! We're trapped!
Did we lose it? Or did it hide?
Something moves under the surface. Large, warm, alive. Could the dinosaurs have adapted and never truly died? Maybe extinction is just relocation. And if it looks back at us, what does it see? Humanity stares into the abyss, and the abyss remembers.
Should we destroy what we just brought back? Again?
As long as the code exists, extinction is just a pause.
Maybe dinosaurs never left. They just changed shape.
Every bird today carries whispers of giants long gone.
The line between past and future blurs, and we are standing right on it.
From extinction to evolution to rebirth. The story.
Follow for more science in short moments, and ask yourself, what if the past is never truly gone?